Thank you. Okay, Mr. Trevino, I have your file right here. We've got two offenses. One of them is for no driver's license. The second one is possession of drug paraphernalia. So the purpose of today is to do what we call an arraignment. Basically, that means that you need to enter a plea to these two offenses. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and go over the pleas with you. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be glad to address them. And then I need to get a plea from you. I'll need to get an address because we're going to send you copies of these documents and a phone number. And then we'll talk about how to help you get it taken care of. Okay? So the pleas that are available, let's start with the possession of drug paraphernalia. The first choice you have is what we call plea of nolo contendere. That is Latin for no contest. That means you're not saying you did it, you're not admitting it, and you're not denying that you didn't do it. You're just telling the court you want to get it taken care of. Okay? The second choice is a plea of guilty. Yes, I did it. Third choice is a plea of not guilty. No, I didn't do it. I had a good reason for doing what I was doing, or that's the plea that I want to enter. So for this offense, possession of drug paraphernalia, which plea would you like to enter, Mr. Trevino?
I would say that I'm guilty.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and sign your name on the guilty. I have your permission to do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Christian Ramon Trevino, I'm going to date it today's date, 2/11/2021. So now let's move on to the second offense, which is the no driver's license. The pleas are the same. Do you want me to go over them with you again?
No, it's okay.
Okay, which one would you like to enter to the no driver's license?
Guilty as well.
Okay, so I have your permission to sign your name on guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Christian Ramon Trevino, and today's date. Now, if you could please give me a good mailing address for you.
301 South Mier Street.
M-I-E-R?
M-I-E-R, yes, ma'am.
So that's San Diego, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And 78384?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Awesome. Okay, and what about a good phone number for you, sir?
361-396-8101, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay, got it. Okay, so the total for these two offenses is $537. How would you like to get this taken care of?
Right now, I'm not sure. Like, how do you usually go about this? Like, every month?
We can do a payment plan, yes, sir. There are two ways we can do a payment plan. We can do a payment plan where you make the payment within 30 days. If you pay within 30 days, then it will be the $537. If you need beyond 30 days, we can do that with you, but we have to add what's called a time payment fee. And I think it's an additional $15 per offense that would get added. But we can certainly do that with you. Is that what you want to do?
Yeah, I would go ahead and need to more than 30 days.
Okay, and are you working, Mr. Trevino?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you working, sir?
I'm working at Whataburger there in Main Street.
Very good. Okay, so we can do the monthly payments. I'm going to say, okay, payment plan. And how much can you pay every month?
I would say, is 70 good?
The lowest I can do is 50. So 70 is fine. If you want to do 50, we can do 50.
Yeah, let me go ahead and do 70.
Okay, so we'll say $70 a month.
For each, right?
No, it's just one payment.
Oh,
yeah,
just
one $70
okay.
payment a month.
Oh,
and,
okay.
Okay. And then what we can do is $70 a month. Can you close that door? We'll do $70 a month, and I lost my train of thought here. We'll make your first payment due on March 1st.
And when would I have to go and pay that? Or I just send a money order or something like that, right?
There are different ways you can pay. Yes, sir. You can get online, and if you get online on the website, it'll give you prompts to go ahead and make your payment electronically, and you can do that with a credit card or with a debit card. Also, we're going to send you all this information. You're going to need to send it back to us. You can mail payments to that address, and then we will mail you a receipt. Or yes, you can come live in person with the clerk. The clerk has a glass window, but you will have to wear a mask.
Yeah.
So whatever you're comfortable with, we can certainly accommodate you.
All right.
Do you have any questions?
Yes. There was one of. Was this including the one that said 9 a.m.? I think it was target. It says 9 a.m. here on the paper, but and then it says for this violation, it says at 2:45. Cause
Do you have another offense pending with our court?
later on, I think like on the 26th.
On the 26th, okay, because originally all our cases were set at 9 when we were doing in-person court, but now because of COVID, we're having to do Zoom. So what we did is we sent new correspondence out to people, giving them times, because it was going to be awful for you if you signed in at 9 and there was, 100 other people online. It was going to be crazy. So what we did is we assigned times. So that's probably why you had a different times.
Yeah, because it says here, it says you must appear in municipal court or whatever for arrangement at 9 a.m. at
Right.
2:11. Yeah.
Those were the
So,
good old days when we had in-person court.
yeah. Okay, so that's what this is instead of that?
Yes, sir. This is court.
Oh, okay.
The
Yeah,
Supreme
that's
Court
what I
of
was
Texas
wondering.
has said, for now, no in-person court because of COVID.
Yeah.
We're supposed to do Zoom. The only time we can have in person is if you absolutely cannot do Zoom and
Yeah.
don't have anybody that can help you with it. And so
Yep.
it's just safer right now. So we
Mhm.
all want everybody to stay safe and alive. And so that's what we're going to do. But
Yeah.
sorry about the confusion.
Yeah, no, it's okay.
Okay, well, good. Just keep an eye on your mail, Mr. Trevino, and you'll be getting a copy of our documents. You'll need to sign them and then mail them back to us, okay?
All right, and that's
You
it.
have a good day. Thank you for zooming
All
in.
right. Yes, ma'am. You too.
Bye-bye. He's gone. Okay.